Food? Is that what you want? You want food? Yeah, yeah. Oh my gosh, let's go get food. Come on, Sammy. I gotta watch out walking down the stairs. Ollie. Where's Ollie? There he is! There he is! Do you want food? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Do you know what's coming, Ollie? It's the food. Look at that yummy kibble. Yummy kibble for my duckling. Alright, down. Down. Good boy. Good down, Ollie. Good down. Freeze! Yum. Eat that breakfast. Eat that breakfast. Rah, rah, rah. And it's all done. That's it, folks. Say bye, Ollie.